Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a screen capture to your email on Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a screen capture, which we will capture on the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go directly to Outlook, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to New Email, increase the size of the email window. Let's now select the recipient, which will be Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Subject will be screen capture. Let's now go directly into the email and type Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached screen capture as per your request. Let's now go to a brand new desktop. Let's now take a screen capture of the Mac itself. Command Shift and 3, which will take a screenshot of the full desktop. And here we have that on screen now, which I have opened up on screen. Let's now quit preview. And now let's go back to email. Insert, attach file, browse this computer, which should take us directly to the desktop. There we have that screen capture. Click on open. How do you want to share your file? Do you want to upload and share as a OneDrive link, attach as a copy, insert as a picture? We want to attach as a copy. The screen capture has now been attached. We can now end the email by saying kind regards, admin. Let's now click on send. And so that email itself has now been sent. Let's now go to sent items, screen capture, Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached screen capture as per your request. Kind regards, admin. Let's now click on that screen capture to open up the screen capture on screen, so we can now either, if we wish to, save to OneDrive, copy or download, but that's all for another video. So let's now click on X. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.